Hi there, students. To commute. Now, I'm sure you all know one meaning of this word, but this word has various other meanings as well. So firstly, a commuter commutes to work. So to commute, to regularly travel to work, quite a long distance between your home and your place of work. So he commutes from Oxford to London every day. You could even commute from Paris to London every day. So a commuter is somebody who goes from home to work every day, and normally this is quite a long distance to commute. The average daily commute in London, I think, is about 15 miles or something like that. So to commute, to travel to work. But notice, to commute, you could commute a sentence in law, particularly a death sentence. To commute a sentence is to exchange it for a less serious punishment, particularly a death sentence. So if you're on death row and going to be executed, then you're probably praying that the sentence will be commuted. To commute, we normally use this word to talk about swapping, exchanging one thing for another. And if a sentence is commuted, then you change the punishment normally to something less serious. Initially he was sentenced to life imprisonment, but that life sentence was then commuted to a 10-year sentence. So normally a prison sentence is commuted to something less serious. It's reduced, it's cut, it's modified, it's shortened. Okay, we can also use this word commute to talk about to change one thing into another. So the alchemists were always looking for a way to commute lead into gold, to commute base metals into gold, to substitute. And also they use this word to commute, talking about changing the way of payment. This particularly in pensions. If you commute your pension or part of it, you get a lump sum at the beginning instead of a regular weekly amount. So he received £300,000 by commuting his pension. Completely gone. Usually that goes with a discount. So he swapped his monthly pension for £300,000. So this is another meaning of commute. So a commuter commutes to work. How long does it take you to commute to work? People are prepared to commute long distances if they are desperate for work. I choose to live out of town and commute to work every day. Okay, so to commute, I wish I could commute lead into gold to change one thing for another. Okay, the commuters go to work every day. The death sentence was commuted to life imprisonment. He commuted his pension for a lump sum at the beginning. Okay, so to commute, we can also use this word actually in mathematics. Let's see. 2 times 3 is exactly the same as 3 times 2. So to commute, if you change round the order of things, it doesn't make any difference. But for example, 5 minus 3 times 2, that doesn't commute because it depends on the order in which you do the calculation, and that is something that commutes in mathematics. So, to commute, or a regular journey between home and work, it takes me, I have an hour's commute every morning. To change a punishment to something less severe, the sentence was commuted from death to life imprisonment. To commute life assurance into an annuity, to change one type of payment for a different type of payment, particularly in pensions. To change one thing into another, to commute base metals into gold. Okay, and these are this is the idea of commute. Let's see, a commuter commutes. This is what would I say in formality? Yeah, I think probably a 5.5 in formality. Use it anywhere, but it's probably more common in something slightly more formal. To commute lead into gold. 6.5 in formality, maybe even a 7. Semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing, or something formal. The financial term, the change of payment, 6.5 in formality as well. And then as to the origin, well, let's see. We have a commutation ticket. This is an American word for a season ticket. So instead of paying the fare every day, you make one payment, and that will give you multiple rides over a period of time. And that's where the idea of a commuter comes from, because they're regularly going backwards and forwards. Now this all of itself comes from Latin commuto, or commuto, to mutare, to charge, and altogether, so to charge altogether, to pay altogether. So commuter.